Alright, picture this. You're staring at your Acuity scheduling dashboard. A sea of client names, a mountain of appointments. But something's off. You notice a duplicate. Sarah Jones booked a massage last week, and now she's scheduled a facial under Sarah J. Same email, same phone number, just a slight name variation. Sound familiar? You're thinking, there's got to be a way to merge these, right? To clean this up and keep my client data organized. If you've ever found yourself asking, can you merge clients in Acuity? You're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the heart of Acuity's client management, tackling this very question head-on. We're not just going to give you a simple yes or no. We're going to explore the nuances, the workarounds, and ultimately, how to keep your Acuity client list sparkling clean. Now, why does this matter? Well, think about it. Duplicate clients lead to messy reporting, fragmented client histories, and frankly, a less professional experience for your clients. Imagine sending a follow-up email to Sarah J. when you've been building rapport with Sarah Jones for months. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference. Acuity scheduling, while a powerful tool, doesn't offer a direct, one-click merge clients button. And that's often the source of frustration for many users. But don't worry, that doesn't mean we're completely out of options. We're going to walk through the best practices, the manual methods, and the strategic thinking that will help you achieve the same result, a streamlined, unified client database. Let's start with the core issue. Why do duplicates happen in the first place? Often, it comes down to variations in client input. Maybe they used a nickname, a different email address, or a typo crept in. Sometimes, it's simply human error on your end when manually entering client information. Regardless of the cause, the impact is the same, a fragmented client record. So what can we do? The first step is identification. You need to actively look for duplicates. This means regularly scanning your client list, paying close attention to names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Use Acuity's search function to filter and compare entries. Look for slight variations, misspellings, or alternative spellings of names. Once you've identified a duplicate, the next step is to choose a primary client record. This will be the record you keep, the one you consolidate all the information into. Usually, this should be the record with the most complete and accurate information, including appointment history and client notes. Now, here's where the manual work comes in. Since Acuity doesn't have a merge function, you'll need to manually transfer information from the duplicate record to the primary record. This includes appointment history. Carefully review the duplicate record's appointment history. Note down the dates, services, and any relevant details. Then, manually add these appointments to the primary record's client notes. Client notes. If the duplicate record has any unique client notes, copy and paste them into the primary record. Make sure to clearly indicate the source of the information. Custom fields. If you're using custom fields, ensure that all relevant data from the duplicate record is transferred to the primary record. Email and phone number. Double-check that the primary record has the most up-to-date and accurate contact information. This process can be time-consuming, especially if you have a large number of duplicates. But it's essential for maintaining data integrity and providing a seamless client experience. After you've transferred all the information, you can then delete the duplicate record. Be absolutely sure you have moved all necessary information before deleting. Now, let's talk about preventing duplicates in the first place. Proactive measures are always better than reactive solutions. Standardize data entry. Train your team to follow a consistent data entry process. Use a standardized format for names, email addresses, and phone numbers. For example, always use full names instead of nicknames. Client intake forms. Design your client intake forms to capture accurate and complete information. Include fields for full names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Consider using required fields to ensure clients provide all the necessary information. Email verification. Encourage clients to use the same email address for all bookings. This will help you easily identify repeat clients. Regular audits. Schedule regular audits of your client list to identify and address any duplicates. This can be a weekly or monthly task, depending on the volume of your bookings. Utilize Acuity's client import-export. If you are comfortable with spreadsheets, exporting your client list, cleaning it up in a spreadsheet program, and re-importing it can be a way to bulk edit and check for duplicates. Be careful when doing this, and always back up your data beforehand. Consider third-party integrations. With caution, some third-party tools might offer client merging or data cleansing features. However, proceed with caution and thoroughly research any third-party integration before using it. Ensure that the tool is reputable and compatible with Acuity. Always look at reviews and ensure that the integration is secure. Another method involves utilizing Acuity's built-in features to add notes and identify potential duplicates. Use the Client Notes section to flag potential duplicates. For example, if you suspect a duplicate, add a note like possible duplicate with client name. This will help you keep track of potential issues and address them later. When faced with a duplicate that has a large amount of appointments, consider if it would be easier to edit the name on one of the duplicates to match the primary record. This can be a quicker solution than transferring a large amount of data. However, ensure the email and any other contact information is correct. Remember, the goal is to create a clean and organized client database. This will not only improve your efficiency but also enhance the client experience. By taking the time to identify and address duplicates, you'll be able to provide personalized service and build stronger client relationships. While the absence of a direct merge function in Acuity might seem like a limitation, it's an opportunity to develop strong data management practices. By implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can effectively manage your client list and maintain data integrity. In short, no, you cannot directly merge clients within the Acuity platform itself. However, by being proactive and using the manual methods discussed, you can achieve the same result. The key is to be organized, consistent, and meticulous in your data management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.